Okay, this is going to be my first review video. It's going to be on the SAG-55 made by China-based, the FNIRSI FNIRSI. I don't know, China's not known for having good names, but we're going to compare it against the OG, the Quick 861DW. This is a beast. This is what I use, but I wanted to get something for one of my employees, so we're gonna do a little head-to-head test. What I like about this, it does have a sleep mode, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And even when it's asleep, which I don't like, this is asleep and it's silent. This one has like some sort of a fan going at all times. Press any button to start heating. Okay. Oh, it did get quieter once it's actually in standby. So let's start with the Quick. I guess this is a review for either one of these. This is a beast. I've had this for years and it works great. You can see how quickly it heats up. I'm gonna bring this up. I have this set at 375. Makes the van lights flicker if it's not running. It's got a lot of power. And we'll go ahead and remove that top 8-leg EEPROM. Bam, done. So time that. I don't know what that was, like 5 seconds. It's a beast. Now let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. Okay, it is ready, and we're going to be going after that chip there. Okay, so I don't think this is at 375 yet, so you can see on the screen. All right, we'll bring it up to 375. It heats up super fast, so that is good. But let's see if it does what it's actually as hot as it says it is. You can tell the airflow is not as intense on this as the Quick. Okay, it's off. So that's pretty damn quick, and I should have gotten the price. I think this thing was like $70. I will edit the video to edit in the price on this, but yeah, pretty good. It does take a lot longer to cool down, I think, than the Quick, but if you're on a budget and you want to get in the game, I've heard a lot of good things about this brand that I really don't know how you pronounce, but they do make some good soldering irons as well that people swear by. Even a battery-powered soldering iron, which maybe one day I'll get it. Don't really need it because we do have the JBC. But so far, it's pretty nice, man. I like the standby stand. It has one big pro to this is it does have a lot less floor space compared to the Quick. I mean, that's a lot of space taken up, where this does the same job. I don't even know. If I could pick either one, I would maybe have gotten this, but I already have the Quick, so it is what it is. But pretty good. If you guys are thinking about getting a hot air station, I would consider that. I do wonder in a van, though, you know, if it'll stay put or if it can easily fall out. I don't know. Okay, so I bought it off the website directly for $57, but AliExpress does have them both a little bit cheaper than other places, and I have affiliate links as well. If you want to hook me up, make a purchase through there, and definitely avoid Amazon. They're kind of price gouging on there. But anyways, if you want to see more reviews like this, like, subscribe. Thanks again.